Hi, in this video I'm going to show you how to use the new Whole Shebang WordPress plugin in ways that will help you make more money in less time. Let me just say that it's a very simple but flexible plugin that once you've seen how really special it is, you won't be able to live without it. Okay, let's get to it. Here you can see that I've installed the plugin. That part's a no-brainer. Just unzip and you're off. And I'm editing one of my posts. It looks pretty much like anything else that you'd expect from WordPress. Now I've got the content is perfect and I'm ready to release it into the wild. With the Whole Shebang, I don't need to worry about where or how the content is viewed. For example, we've put the page I've just edited into a Facebook iframe application. Because I'm using the Whole Shebang, I'm sure the content will be perfect. Let's pop over and see how it is. Bang, it's perfect. Perfect fit, no real surprises here. We've got the iframes covered. It goes without saying, again, that the Whole Shebang lets you fit your content perfectly anywhere you need to. Now, what about mobile platforms? Well, no worries there either. We've got that covered too. I've got the same page I was showing you earlier already loaded into my Android emulator. Let's just refresh and see how it looks. Again, it doesn't matter what sort of content I'm showing. If you're using the Whole Shebang, it looks good everywhere. Now let's move past the flexibility of each post and have a look at some of the other features that we squeezed into the plugin. Let's talk about the showcase. Well, what is the showcase? Well, essentially the showcase is a neat little split testing engine that we included into the plugin, which allows you to say something like, well, whenever somebody visits my page, let's just have a look at one now. Whenever somebody visits my page, I want to show them a different shebang. So on every new visit or refresh, it's a different page. For example, you could be using this to test a couple of CPA offers, or run ads on each of their pages, and quickly find out the winners. You could, of course, also find that out through conversions and sub-ID tracking, but you already knew that. The point is there's no more wasted time or money to see what flies and what doesn't. The same goes for your sales pages or really anything else you might want to throw into it. We called it the Whole Shebang for a reason. Once you're getting the traffic flowing, you can quickly do all the necessary text or design tweaks you wish from right inside the plugin. You can change your fonts, your colors, your images, whatever, until you find your page's sweet spot. Last but not least, there's a very simple like and reveal feature that we added to give your pages that extra viral momentum that you need. Essentially, you just say what text you want to hide from your visitors until they like it on Facebook. Let's just run quickly through an example of that now. Just select the text that I want to hide, click the icon that we provide, and hit the update. The Facebook effect is sort of unstoppable, and it's exactly why we needed to build it into the Whole Shebang. You might need to think a little bit outside the box to make your pages really viral, but with just a few tries, you'll be good to go. Just remember that there are something like 900 million users logging into Facebook every day. Even if you're already hosting some of your pages on Facebook, you really must be using the Whole Shebang as your complete one-stop solution. So, as you've seen, you don't need to buy a whole range of different plugins to get your content on Facebook, make it mobile, or put your content anywhere else on the web. The Whole Shebang has got you covered. Plus, when Facebook or whoever else eventually decides to change their formats again, you don't need to worry. That's just another benefit of using the Whole Shebang. Thanks for tuning in.